Looking for the perfect vlogging camera in 2026? In this video, we're counting down the 7 best vlogging cameras that deliver amazing video quality, fast autofocus, and creator-friendly features. Let's get started. Number 7. DJI Osmo Pocket 4. If portability is your top priority, few cameras can compete with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This tiny yet remarkably capable camera is designed specifically for creators who want professional-looking footage without carrying bulky equipment. Its biggest strength is the built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which delivers incredibly smooth stabilization even while walking, running, or filming fast-moving scenes. Unlike electronic stabilization that crops the image, the Pocket 4 keeps footage natural and cinematic, making every shot appear polished straight out of the camera. The upgraded large sensor captures significantly more detail than previous generations, producing vibrant colors, excellent dynamic range, and impressive low-light performance for a camera this compact. Its intelligent subject tracking ensures your face stays perfectly framed whether you're recording travel adventures, cooking tutorials, or everyday lifestyle content. The rotating touchscreen makes switching between horizontal and vertical recording effortless, allowing creators to produce content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts without extra editing. Audio quality has also improved thanks to enhanced built-in microphones and compatibility with wireless microphones for professional voice recording. Battery life easily handles several hours of casual filming, and fast charging minimizes downtime between shoots. Because it fits comfortably into almost any pocket, you'll always have a capable camera ready whenever inspiration strikes. While it doesn't offer interchangeable lenses or the extensive manual controls found on larger mirrorless cameras, its simplicity is exactly what makes it appealing. Beginners will appreciate how easy it is to achieve professional-looking results, while experienced creators will enjoy having a lightweight secondary camera for travel, behind-the-scenes footage, or quick social media content. Number 6. Canon PowerShot V1. The Canon PowerShot V1, a camera designed specifically for creators who want professional quality videos without dealing with the complexity of interchangeable lenses. Canon has built this camera around the needs of modern vloggers, combining a compact design with impressive video capabilities that make it ideal for YouTube, travel content, lifestyle videos, product reviews, and daily vlogs. The large sensor captures detailed 4K footage with excellent dynamic range, producing rich colors and Canon's signature natural skin tones that require very little color correction during editing. Even in low-light environments like restaurants, city streets at night, or indoor studios, the camera maintains sharp detail while keeping digital noise under control. One of its biggest strengths is Canon's advanced dual-pixel autofocus system, which quickly locks onto faces and eyes while intelligently tracking subjects as they move around the frame. This means creators can confidently walk toward or away from the camera without worrying about losing focus, making solo filming much easier. The fully articulating touchscreen flips forward for effortless self-recording, while the simplified video interface allows beginners to start creating immediately without navigating confusing menus. Built-in image stabilization significantly reduces handheld camera shake, helping produce smoother footage during walking shots, travel sequences, and everyday recording without requiring a separate gimbal. Audio quality is equally impressive thanks to improved internal microphones and a dedicated microphone input for creators who want professional sound. USB-C charging, longer battery life, and lightweight construction make the PowerShot V1 a reliable companion for extended shooting sessions and travel adventures. While it doesn't feature interchangeable lenses, the versatile built-in lens is perfectly suited for most vlogging situations, offering a practical balance between wide-angle selfie shots and closer framing for product demonstrations or interviews. Number 5. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1, a camera that has become one of the most powerful tools for serious content creators in 2026. Designed with vloggers and filmmakers in mind, the ZV-E1 combines Sony's cutting-edge full-frame sensor with advanced AI technology to deliver stunning image quality in almost any shooting condition. Its large sensor captures incredible detail, rich colors, and outstanding dynamic range, making every video look cinematic straight out of the camera. One of its biggest advantages is exceptional low light performance, allowing creators to film indoors, at sunset, or even at night without excessive image noise. Sony's AI-powered autofocus system is among the best in the industry, intelligently recognizing and tracking human eyes, faces, animals, vehicles, and other subjects with remarkable precision, ensuring your footage stays perfectly sharp even during fast movement. The camera also features powerful in-body image stabilization that minimizes handheld shake, making walking shots and travel vlogs appear smooth and professional without always needing a gimbal. Video creators can record high-quality 4K footage with impressive color depth, giving them greater flexibility for professional color grading during post-production. The fully articulating touchscreen makes self-recording simple, while dedicated vlogging features, such as product showcase mode, instantly shift focus between your face and objects you're presenting, making product reviews faster and more professional. The compact body keeps the camera lightweight enough for everyday use while still offering access to Sony's extensive lineup of interchangeable lenses, allowing creators to customize their setup for travel, cinematic filmmaking, interviews, or studio production. Improved battery performance, USB-C charging, high-quality microphone support, and fast wireless connectivity further enhance its appeal for modern creators who value both convenience and professional results. Although its premium price places it above entry-level cameras, the combination of full-frame image quality, industry-leading autofocus, advanced stabilization, and outstanding video performance makes the Sony ZV-E1 an exceptional investment for creators who want to elevate their content. Number 4. Fujifilm X-M5. The Fujifilm X-M5, a camera that perfectly blends creative filmmaking features with a compact, travel-friendly design. Built for modern content creators, the X-M5 delivers exceptional image quality through its advanced APS-C sensor, producing sharp 4K video with beautiful colors, impressive dynamic range, and Fujifilm's famous film simulations that give footage a unique cinematic look without heavy editing. Whether you're recording travel adventures, street vlogs, food reviews, or lifestyle content, the camera consistently produces natural skin tones and vibrant colors that stand out on YouTube and social media. One of its strongest features is the latest AI-powered autofocus system, which quickly detects and tracks faces, eyes, animals, and moving subjects, allowing solo creators to stay perfectly in focus while filming. The fully articulating touchscreen makes self-recording simple, while intuitive controls help beginners learn quickly without sacrificing the advanced manual settings that experienced creators appreciate. The X-M5 also offers high-quality slow-motion recording, giving vloggers the ability to create dramatic cinematic sequences that enhance storytelling. Built-in digital stabilization helps smooth handheld footage, while pairing the camera with a stabilized lens creates even more professional-looking results during walking shots and travel videos. Audio performance is another highlight, thanks to built-in microphones that capture clean sound and dedicated ports for external microphones and headphones, making it easy to achieve professional audio quality. Despite its powerful capabilities, the camera remains lightweight and compact enough to carry all day, making it an excellent choice for travel creators and everyday vloggers. USB-C charging, improved battery efficiency, fast wireless file transfers, and compatibility with Fujifilm's growing lineup of high-quality lenses further increase its versatility. While it may not match the low-light performance of full-frame cameras, its combination of outstanding color science, reliable autofocus, compact design, creative film simulations, and excellent overall video quality makes the Fujifilm X-M5 one of the most enjoyable cameras to use in 2026. Number 3. Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III, a camera that has become one of the biggest surprises for content creators in 2026. Long known for its photography heritage, Nikon has transformed the Z6 III into a serious powerhouse for video production, making it an outstanding choice for vloggers who demand professional performance. At the heart of the camera is a high-performance full-frame sensor that captures exceptionally detailed 4K video with excellent dynamic range, rich colors, and remarkable sharpness. Whether you're filming cinematic travel documentaries, lifestyle vlogs, interviews, or YouTube reviews, the The Z6 III consistently delivers footage that looks premium straight out of the camera. One of its greatest strengths is its advanced autofocus system, which uses intelligent subject detection to recognize and accurately track human eyes, faces, animals, birds, and even vehicles. This reliable autofocus allows creators to move naturally in front of the camera without constantly worrying about focus hunting or missed shots. The camera also features powerful 5-axis and body image stabilization that significantly reduces camera shake, producing smooth handheld footage even when walking or filming without a tripod. Its fully articulating touchscreen makes self-recording simple, while professional video features such as 10-bit internal recording, advanced color profiles, high frame rate slow-motion recording, and external RAW video support provide creators with enormous flexibility during editing. Audio quality is equally impressive thanks to dedicated microphone and headphone ports that help ensure clear, professional sound throughout every recording session. Built with a durable weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, the Z6 III is ready for demanding travel, outdoor adventures, and challenging shooting conditions. Fast memory card support, USB-C charging, extended battery performance, and compatibility with Nikon's expanding lineup of high-quality Z-mount lenses make the camera even more versatile for both video and photography. While it sits in the premium price category, the combination of outstanding video quality, professional-level stabilization, dependable autofocus, rugged construction, and future-ready recording capabilities makes the Nikon Z6 III one of the most complete hybrid cameras available today. Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a camera that continues to dominate the content creation world in 2026 thanks to its incredible balance of image quality, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're a YouTuber, travel vlogger, filmmaker, or social media creator, the EOS R6 Mark II delivers professional-level performance in virtually every situation. Its full-frame sensor captures stunningly detailed 4K video with outstanding dynamic range, beautiful color reproduction, and Canon's legendary skin tones that make people look natural straight out of the camera. One of the camera's greatest strengths is its incredibly fast dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system, which uses advanced AI to recognize and track people, animals, and vehicles with remarkable speed and accuracy. Even if you're walking toward the camera, turning your head, or moving through busy environments, the autofocus keeps your face and eyes perfectly sharp, allowing solo creators to film with complete confidence. The powerful 5-axis and body image stabilization works together with stabilized RF lenses to produce exceptionally smooth handheld footage, reducing the need for a gimbal during everyday vlogging. The fully articulating touchscreen makes framing yourself quick and easy, while intuitive controls ensure beginners can start recording immediately without feeling overwhelmed. For advanced creators, the camera offers professional features such as 10-bit recording, Canon log profiles, HDR video, high frame rate slow motion, and excellent low light performance, providing endless creative possibilities during post-production. Audio quality is equally impressive, with dedicated microphone and headphone ports supporting professional recording setups for interviews, podcasts, and documentary-style videos. The weather-sealed magnesium alloy body adds durability for outdoor adventures, while improved battery life, dual memory card slots, fast USB-C charging, and wireless connectivity make long shooting days much more convenient. Combined with Canon's growing lineup of RF lenses, the EOS R6 Mark II can easily adapt to every style of content, from cinematic filmmaking to casual daily vlogs. Number 1. Sony A7S III. The best vlogging cameras in 2026 is the Sony A7S III, a camera that continues to set the gold standard for professional content creators. Even years after its original release, Sony has kept it relevant through firmware improvements, and its incredible video performance still rivals many of the newest cameras on the market. Built around a full-frame sensor specifically optimized for video, the A7S III delivers breathtaking 4K footage with exceptional sharpness, cinematic colors, and one of the widest dynamic ranges available in its class. Its greatest strength is unmatched low-light performance, allowing creators to film in dimly lit restaurants, city streets at night, concerts, weddings, or indoor environments with minimal image noise while preserving remarkable detail. Sony's industry-leading real-time eye autofocus uses advanced AI algorithms to recognize and continuously track human eyes, faces, animals, birds, and moving subjects with incredible precision, ensuring every shot remains perfectly focused even during fast-paced action. The powerful 5-axis and body image stabilization dramatically reduces handheld camera shake, making walking shots appear smooth and professional without relying on a gimbal for every scene. Professional creators will appreciate advanced features such as 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, high bitrate codecs, S-Log3, S-Cinetone color profiles, unlimited recording capability, dual memory card slots, and outstanding heat management that allows extended shooting sessions without overheating. The fully articulating touchscreen simplifies self-recording, while dedicated microphone and headphone ports make capturing studio-quality audio effortless. Built with a rugged weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, the A7S III is designed to withstand demanding travel, outdoor adventures, and professional production environments. Combined with Sony's extensive lineup of world-class E-mount lenses, creators have unlimited creative flexibility for every type of project, from cinematic documentaries to fast-paced YouTube content. Although it comes with a premium price tag, its combination of outstanding video quality, legendary autofocus, industry-leading low-light performance, reliable stabilization, professional recording features, and proven durability makes the Sony A7S III the ultimate choice for serious vloggers in 2026. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more camera reviews and tech rankings. See you in the next one.